Let's see what these Colorado Trail Bosses are all about. Looks like he's a little bit shy of his wide wheelbase coming through some of these trees here. He's not shy of the mud though. He dove right into that little puddle. Ain't no pavement princess anymore. If you'll recall, one of our previous video series, Epic Mud Hole Part 1 and Part 2. All right, Bob, just hang tight, okay? We'll get you out. We'll get winched out of here.
Let's go analyze this. There's a tree root right there. So 2 tree roots that you have to climb over. And then there's this wall. So that's what's stopping all these Jeeps.
This is actually the exact mud hole that all the vehicles were getting hung up on. Had several Jeeps and a Land Rover all getting hung up here. And it looks like this right here is exactly the route, and this one here that they were all getting hung up on, which is really interesting to see this mud hole completely dried out after so many vehicles had such a hard time with it. And the Colorados are kind of having a tough time getting through these tight corners and tight trees aligned so close together.
Watching these larger vehicles try and do these smaller trails. They're doing it though. Looks like we might need a recovery right there from coming out of the hole.
I think he'll make it. Let me see if he's got lockers. You got lockers? Okay. We got plenty of tools to get you out.
Just a hole.
Do you have bug spray on? You're probably going to want some at least on your legs if you're going to be walking around with the ticks and things like that.
No, there really wasn't very
If you don't have any with you, we'll be happy to hook you up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just don't think he's getting the traction he needs to get out.
Okay. He's switching it into off-road mode.
There we go, climb right on out.
Nice. He just had to put it in off-road mode if you've got that. Okay, we'll see what happens. Nice. There we go. There we go.
There you go.
Watch your right side here, but you got plenty of room.
Chris, you guys need any help back there?
Not yet. Oh boy.
Just remember, we can always use a winch and a snatch block to snatch the rear end around if we need to.
Oops.
Oh boy. He's right up on it, huh?
Is that right behind me?
I'm sorry?
Is that stump right behind me? How far did it go?
No, the stump that you just climbed over is right.
What about the one sticking up out of the ground?
I don't see one. Let me get out.
Oh shit, am I over it?
Yeah, I mean you climbed over. This is what you climbed over right here. Oh, watch it! Your wife is getting out.
Hey, tell me what you're doing there, eh?
Watch your right side for sure.
Chris, let me know if they're not going to be able to make it through, and you guys can go a different route.
No, he's going to try a couple of things here. If whatever he tries doesn't work, we might try that power slide move where you have a couple of people pushing on the back quarter. Stop!
Sam, do you have a snatch block in your Jeep? I do not. All I've got is my winch.
Wow, that's so tight. You got a few inches. I think you'll be okay.
Go as straight as possible. You're good.
How's your front though? Did he make it?
Here, if you want to watch that corner, I'll watch the front.
Okay. First Colorado has made it.
All right, all right, all right.
Is this the tightest turn?
This is the tightest turn.
Yeah, so this corner he's got to swing as wide as possible. There's a log on his driver's side he's got to get over. Let's get a view of that.
Back it up. Your front diff is caught on it. That sounds like
big
brakes.
old log. Man, this one's challenging.
All right. Turn all the way passenger. All right. Bump it as you try and come up. Give it a little throttle. There you go.
Oh, man.
All right.
See, but then he's got this tree to worry about. Stop.
How far you got?
He's gonna hit his fender plastic if he keeps going straight. He would have to turn to driver to miss that. He got plenty of room on this side. He can cut it all the way passenger.
Let me know when the FJ makes it through, and then we'll keep it moving.
Yeah, cut it all the way passenger.
If he's good in the driver front quarter, then he's good back here. Yeah. Oh, no, not quite. There we go. All right, thank you, Sam. Right on.
FJ.
Colorado Trail Boss with the flex shot here. It's looking pretty good. Nice.
All right, come on up. Keep coming. Stop.
I told you, it's very unassuming. How you liking it so far, Travis?
Dude, it's fun. I'm gonna have to go out to the other one too, so I can do some hill climbs with it. I'm very surprised. It does very well, especially in low. To climb up, the torque is insane on it. It just climbs, and that turbo boost gets in there, and just like.
For sure. If you got
Easy
time,
day.
we're going over there today.
Yeah, it's fun.
How long have you had this Trail Boss?
Maybe 3.5 months.
3.5 months.
About 2,000 miles.
Hey,
And it's
guys.
first time it's been on the trail.
She's pretty. Capable too.
It is, surprisingly, for without lockers, it's
Yeah.
very capable.
So what, when you hit that 4-wheel drive or the, what was it, off-roading button?
Yeah,
Tell me about that.
so off-road mode directs the power differently than it would in the regular drive mode. So if there's any wheel slippage, that four-wheel drive sends power to those different wheels. There's a whole display. And
Is that a limited slip then?
It is not. So it has a G80 locker in the rear.
I got
So
you.
that's why.
So you do have a rear locker.
I have a rear locker. Yeah.
And the off-road mode is engaging that, I imagine.
So
or is that a different button?
It'll automatically. So once the G80, once the computer recognizes 100 RPM misalignment in the wheel speed, it automatically locks the locker. So whether it's in two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, it's easy day. But all the modes work really well. It has another mode. I've got off-road, and then I have like a trail mode where if I take my foot off the gas, it'll auto brake. So if you were climbing,
I've got that in my F-150 FX4 too. Yeah, the hill descent mode.
Yeah, it's pretty fun, man. It's fun.
And Justin, right?
Yes, sir.
How do you like your performance on the Trail Boss?
I like it. I kind of want to take the steps up.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll be happy to watch that.
I kind of like it.
Oh, take the steps on your rig off.
Yeah.
I got you. I thought you were talking about climbing the steps here.
No. Taking the steps up here.
We got the staircase obstacle that we're trying to get folks to do.
Where's the staircase?
All right, we've got the Trail Boss Colorado. Yes, I know it's Colorado, but I find it more fun to say Colorado. Looks like he's gonna try the staircase. And we just saw Mike in the Rubicon with all of 8 pounds of pressure go right over it.
Jeep brakes, man.
Gear and terrain mode.
Low gear. Yep, terrain mode.
You got the locker off?
So the locker will auto engage once that rear tire spins.
Okay.
So the G80 will. Let's see.
At least that's the theory. Are we aired down?
That's a good line. Watching your bumper come slow. Come on up. Easy. Slow speed. Get video of this locker. You look good over here.
Pan out.
Look the other side.
See if we can get a better view. Woo, boy! Got a little light in the back there.
Yep, that's that G80 right there. It kind of kicks in.
That's kind of abrupt.
It is. They are.
So
They work good though.
I can see how that could trip you up on an obstacle like this. Though you wouldn't find a staircase in the wild, I don't think. Full squish, I'm being told, on this rear tire. Oh man, that thing is stuffed. Wow. Is it rubbing? I can't tell. There's mud in between the tire and the fender. You're probably good. Are you trying to go further forward? No, that's it.
That's about all she's gonna get.
Well, she did much better than I thought she'd do. I wasn't sure you were going to be able to clear the bumper. Yeah. Probably has like a sensor in the seat that won't let you do that or something. There we go. He's able to get out.
The whole reason why I got down.
Look at that pose.
Still in drive too.
Oh, okay.
I was trying to get up
It's
early.
gonna be our channel picture.
Dope.
Being really even with the way y'all's trucks are.
Oh yeah.
You got a different front and rear bumper.
You reckon it's wise to keep it in drive?
Nice.
Well, you said he's got in terrain mode, so.
That thing starts climbing over all by itself. That'd be. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling just in case. Man, that's sweet. You gonna give it a whirl? All right, we're only gonna see one Colorado do this today.
So complete legs, tires off the ground. That's that G80 locker, and it kicked in abruptly. It did it. It's kind of an aggressive kick in, but it did its job. It got me up.
It almost got you over. That's what I was afraid of when I saw it kick in and you lurched forward.
That tire went. Poof.
Yeah.
All right.
See if we can get a better view. Woo, boy! Got a little light in the back there.
Yep, that's that G80 right there. It kind of kicks in.
Woo, boy. Sweet.
Oh, that's an excellent flex because you've got this wheel completely off the ground. Kind of hold your brakes as you come down. You don't want to hit your front.
Meanwhile, the other tire was completely stuffed.
Yeah. So with this wheel completely off the ground and that other wheel stuff, that kind of shows you your max.
So it's pretty good for the hills.
Oh yeah, that's better than
Yeah.
most trucks.
It's better than some Jeeps out here.
That is true.
Dude, that terrain mode is wicked.
Yeah,
That is wicked,
Going over
man.
the one was easy.
It holds your brakes for you. That's crazy. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah, but that's a bunch of cheating.
That is. But if you ain't cheating, you ain't trying.
Coming from the 1995 XJ.
2000 XJ.
Tire.
Yep.
Well, we didn't catch it on video, but this Colorado just lost his license plate.
That's like a formality.
Looks like it was pretty loosely attached. That's kind of interesting. They would make such a beefy off-road vehicle and then use thumbtacks to attach the license plate.
Just means it's for